In this video, I will show you how to add Mailchimp to your Wix account. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and add Mailchimp to your Wix account, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to wix.com and log into your Wix account. After doing this, what you need to do is select the website that you want to connect with Mailchimp. And in your website's dashboard, what you want to do is click onto Apps from the left-hand menu and then select App Market. What you can now do is use the search bar, and what you need to do is type Mailchimp Forms by POWR or simply Mailchimp and select the Mailchimp app. Next, go ahead and click onto Add to Site and follow the prompts to install this onto your website. Once the app is installed, click on it and select Connect Mailchimp Account. And at this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. So enter your credentials and grant permission for Wix to access your Mailchimp data. What you can do is now customize the form's appearance, fields and settings to match your website's design. And after you've completed the setup, publish your Wix website to make the Mailchimp form live. By following these steps, your Wix website should now be integrated with Mailchimp and you can start collecting subscribers directly from your website. So that is how to add Mailchimp to your Wix account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.